It's date night. Let's get ready. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter as primer. Refi Brow Sculpt on my brows. I planned a really fun date for us tonight, so if you want to see any content, I'm sure I'll be posting it on Instagram. Armani Neo Nude True to Skin Foundation. This is one of my favorites. Look how pretty that is. Tarte Shape Tape. This is the ultra creamy formula. I'm just patting that in with a damp beauty blender. Refi Brow Pencil to kind of darken my brows just a little bit. For contour, you already know we're using Rare Beauty. I'm just gonna apply it right here. I also applied it right here, 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 and here. Just blending it out with a damp beauty blender again. Rare Beauty blush in the shade Hope. This is my all-time favorite shade. Using a brush to diffuse this. I don't use firm pressure with this because I don't want to move the makeup underneath it. I'm using a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury powder to set the cream products. Then using the Sigma Berry Glow palette, I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow. Just dragging it out like this. Sweeping that same shade underneath my eye as well. Then taking the highlight in this palette and going in on my inner corner. We're keeping it pretty simple tonight because the dress does speak for itself. And that same highlight to highlight my cheeks. Look how pretty this is. For mascara, you already know we're using the MAC Stack. Refi Lip Sculpt in the shade Blush. e.l.f. Lip Stain Lip Gloss thing in the shade Pinkies Up. The dress is on. I feel quite gorgeous, to be honest. What do we think?